We're the Friendly Real Estate Group, and today we are at Aden at Westview by Taylor Morrison. This is the grand opening for this master plan community. We are so excited. There's so much to come here, and we cannot wait to show you.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Guys, I'm gonna start with this. $99 deposits until the end of the year to lock in a house here at Taylor Morrison. This community is called Aden at Westview. It is a brand new community. It's a master plan community that has so many amazing plans for the future. And we're gonna tell you guys all about that. Now, before we get started, guys, we're the Friendly Real Estate Group, and we make videos just like this for families just like you that are looking to relocate to or move within Central Florida. If you haven't yet, subscribe down below so you can be notified every single time we put out a brand new video. And at the very least, guys, give this video a thumbs up so more families like yourself can see content like this. Now, guys, this community, we do videos like this all the time at new construction communities, as you guys may know. And every now and then we stop at a community that just absolutely wows us. Today, the presentation was incredible. They had vendors here, caterers that catered in food, and we even had a coffee caterer here as well that was phenomenal. But this community, what it is going to have and what it is already offering is absolutely amazing. And this is going to be the pinnacle of living here in southern Kissimmee in the Poinciana area. Now, we're going to tell you guys in this video all about the neighborhood. We're going to tell you about the prices, the CDD, the HOAs. We're going to drive around. We're going to fly the drone. We're going to show you guys these model houses so you can see exactly what it would be like for you and your family to live here. Now, without any further ado, guys, let's go check the neighborhood out. All right, friends, so first we have the Magnolia floor plan here at Aden at Westview. We're going to tell you a little bit about this community. As you guys can see, we were there at the grand opening. It was fantastic. Taylor Morrison put on a show. The food that was catered, shout out to Spice House Catering here in Kissimmee. It was tremendous. But a little bit more about the house here, guys. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single-story house. It's an absolutely gorgeous floor plan. I love how open it is when you come into the home. And here you guys have this beautiful back patio. The master bedroom is in the back. There's Lenny getting some content for YouTube, Shorts, and Instagram. Make sure you guys give us a follow. But this is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,106 square foot home. And right now they have these priced right under $400,000 there in that community. Guys, this place is going to be amazing. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this community here in just a few minutes. But I'll let you guys kind of see this house here. When we pick up on the next one, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what's going on here at Aden at Westview and why this is going to be a phenomenal opportunity. It's not right in the middle of Kissimmee. It is in the southern part of Kissimmee there in Poinciana, but there's so much more happening in the area here. Just wanted to interrupt this video to let you guys know that we don't work for the builder. We are independent realtors, and we work for clients like you to represent you, to make sure that you get the best deal, to make sure that you get the best representation. We're your boots on the ground. We go to the inspections and walkthroughs if you can't make it down here. So just wanted to let you know that the builder also pays our commission. Whatever they pay us is what we take. So you can have us on your side at no extra charge. Now let's get back to the action. This right here is the maple floor plan, 3 beds, 2.5 baths, 1,853 square feet. And this is the second home of the Express series. So at this community, Taylor Morrison has 2 different series. The first 2 homes that we've shown you guys, these are going to be your homes that are going to be included everything that you see here. So everything you saw in the first home, everything you see in this home is going to come with the house just like this. Up next, we're going to show you guys 3 houses that have their more signature series where you can do some upgrades. But as promised, guys, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the community. I don't know if I'm going to have time while we're showing you this house to tell you everything, but guys, this is going to be absolutely phenomenal. Like, they're going to have everything. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the entertainment area that they're going to have. There's going to be the hub, which is the main clubhouse, and then there you're going to have a resort pool, a lap pool, a kids pool. Next to that, an event lawn, a flex lawn, a tot lot, soccer field, another flex lawn. There's 12 pickleball courts, a tennis court, basketball court, sand volleyball, a snack shack in between all of that, and 2 baseball fields, as well as a large park, or a park for large dogs and a park for small dogs as well. so the little ones don't beat the big ones up. So up next, guys, I'm going to show you a few other houses, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about what the hub is actually going to look like on the inside, because there's a lot there to unpack. If you're enjoying this video, guys, make sure to subscribe down below. We're having a great time. We came here for the houses. Now I have all the suites. Subscribe down below. Make sure you hit the little bells for notifications so you're notified every single time a brand new video comes out. Give this video a thumbs up so more families like yourself can see content like this. Now let's get back to the action. Up next, the Granada floor plan, part of their signature series, 4 beds, 3 baths, 2,400 square feet. As you guys can see, this is a little bit more of an elevated product here. We have the gourmet kitchen with the built-in oven with the hood range, the built-in stove as well. You can see the grand cabinets there, the 42-inch cabinets with the crown molding up top. This is absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to show you guys 2 more houses after this, but I want to tell you guys a little bit about this beautiful clubhouse called the Hub. So they're going to have a full basketball court. They're going to have a movement studio. This is going to be a place for like Zumba and things like that. A full fitness center with 2 sections with weights and all of that, and they're going to have free weights as well on another section. Rock climbing. Like, come on, who gets that in a neighborhood? Rock climbing. There's going to be this grand lobby when you walk in with a cafe and all these social verandas that kind of overlook the pool area. They're going to have this place called the Venue. Shout out to Bloom and Brew, by the way. Amazing coffee by those guys. There's going to be a kitchen. There's going to be a kids zone. There's going to be a flex room that can also be rented out as well. Guys, this is going to be incredible. It's going to feel like you're living inside of a resort. Huge master plan community. And there's so many things that are coming nearby as well. A lot of people didn't want to live here for a long time because it was just woods, but there's so much coming to this area. So I'll finish off with that. I'll let you guys finish off seeing this beautiful house, and then up next we're going to show you guys 2 more model houses, and I'm going to tell you guys about the fees inside of this community while we show you guys those. See you in just a minute. Let me know what you think in the comments, by the way. What do you feel? How do you feel about this house? What do you think about the neighborhood? If you have any questions, let us know.
So we just showed you the semi-custom homes. Now these homes are for people that want a little bit more say-so in what they want in the house. Do they want upgrades? Do they want different countertops? All of that is included. Next, we're gonna show you our Express series, which is this one. They pick everything out for you, but these houses are more affordable. So let's get to it.
Let's keep it moving, friends. Here we have the St. Vincent. This is a 1,790 square foot home, 4 beds, 2.5 baths. And right now, for their signature series, this is probably the best deal. Right now, they have one priced at $395,000. I absolutely love that flex space over there. One thing I didn't care for about this house is that to give you this, they kind of sacrifice on the master bedroom, and you'll see that in a minute. But as promised, guys, I want to tell you a little bit about the fees here inside of this community. So you're going to have your association assessments, which are going to be your master association and your regular association, and per quarter you're going to be paying $375 for those per quarter, so $125 a month. And then you have your CDD. For those of you that don't know, a CDD is a community development district, and these are funds that are used to develop the infrastructure of the land as well as develop the land itself, but also to maintain all those great things that you're going to have. And these are going to vary depending on the lot sizes. You're going to be paying anywhere between $1,400 to about $1,700 per year, depending on whether you're on a 40, a 45, or a 50-foot lot there inside of the community. Now, what that's going to maintain for you guys is the common area, so the parks, the open spaces, the common area landscape, the perimeter landscape buffers, entrances, and other property that's owned by the association.
We hope that you're enjoying the video. If you are, make sure that you subscribe down below and hit the bell for notifications so you get notified every time we post a video like this. At the very least, you can give us a thumbs up. Now, guys, let's get back to the action.
The last house that we're going to show you guys is an absolutely gorgeous house. Just wait. When you walk in, you have this flex floor plan, or this flex room right here, and look at this, guys. I don't know how you feel about the kitchen being right there, but wait until you get onto the back side of this house here. Look at this grand open space. I absolutely love it. This floor plan is called Anastasia, and it is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath house, and we're right at 2,600 square feet with this house, and that's even with that open space there that doesn't count towards it. So I've told you guys everything that there is to know about the neighborhood. Truly would love to show you guys this incredible opportunity in Point Siena on the southern half of Kissimmee. There's a lot of development going on in that area. There are little strip malls that are being built. The families that live there that haven't had much for years are finally getting some attention, and they're getting some businesses, some commercials, businesses that are coming in. There's a hospital right down the road from here. There you have access to Davenport within 15 minutes or so, to the Champions Gate area. You're maybe about 25 minutes away. You can go shopping over in Haines City or go up into Point Siena. You know, this is going to be a community really that's for the family that's looking for something really great at an affordable price, and you don't mind sacrificing having to drive a little bit to get to a lot of Orlando's main attractions. This isn't for the family that wants to be in the thick of everything. I just want to be straight up with you guys. Again, you're going to have to make a little bit of a sacrifice, but you're going to gain that back with the amazing prices that you have there, as well as getting a community that's being built by one of the better builders, in my opinion, here in the area. So truly grateful that you guys have taken the time to watch this video. We hope that you've enjoyed this walkthrough. We hope that you've enjoyed the presentation. We help families like you all the time relocate to or move within Central Florida.
All right, that is a wrap.
That is a
what do we think? This was such an amazing day for us. We literally, I mean, we're blown away by the product, by the presentation, by just the atmosphere too. It was just top tier. What do you think, Jomar?
I think that it was a great way for them to present the product. It was worth the wait. We came here with clients a few months ago, and you know, it was kind of like they had a house, but the model house wasn't really finished yet, and you know, we kind of saw the bare bones of all of this. And a few months went by. The houses are all furnished now. They're all finished. The community is coming together. The plan is coming together. We were blown away by the amount of things that are going to be put inside of this community. The presentation was great. They had great food. Shout out to Spice House Catering. Shout out to
Bloom and Brew.
Bloom and Brew. Shout out to both of them. Amazing food, amazing coffee. It was just really a great experience. So we thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video all the way through. We really hope that you guys enjoy these videos. We have such a good time every single time we come out to make these videos for you guys. We hope that it brings you value and that it helps you and your family really narrow down where you want to live. We're the Friendly Real Estate Group, guys. Subscribe down below. You know, if you hit that little bell for notifications, you get notified when we put out a brand new video. Give this video a thumbs up. Give us a call. Let us help you and your family be able to relocate to, move within here in Central Florida. We would love to meet you, have a great time, and help you guys achieve your goals.
Bye, guys.
Bye.